Ever accidentally zoomed in or shifted your focus point on your Sony A7 IV just by resting your thumb on the screen? Let's put an end to that unwanted touchpad magic. First, power on your Sony A7 IV now. Navigate to the main menu by pressing the menu button. We're going to use the touch wheel or the directional buttons to access the setup menu. Look for the wrench or gear icon selected to enter the setup menu. Within the setup menu, scroll down to the option titled Operation Customize. Press the center button to select it. Now, find and select Touch Operation. This is where we'll be making our changes. You'll see an option labeled Touchpad. Select this here. You have to main choices on and off. To completely disable the touchpad function, simply select off. This will prevent any accidental swipes or touches from affecting your camera's behavior. Alternatively, if you want to keep some touch functionality, prevent unintended actions, choose Custom. Under the Custom setting, you can fine-tune which touch operations are enabled. You can disable specific functions like touch focus or touch shutter, allowing you to keep the touch screen active for menu navigation if you prefer. Once you've made your selection, press the center button again to confirm your choice. You can now freely use your camera knowing the touchpad won't interfere with your shot. Whether you disable it entirely or customize it to your workflow, taking control of the touchpad on your Sony A7 IV ensures a smoother, more precise shooting experience.